PyOpenGL Ubuntu 14.04, undefined function error. After upgrading to Ubuntu 14.04 and installing PyOpenGL via pip, it worked fine under Ubuntu 12.04, but now I get errors every time I try to use a function from opengl.glut, for example this. Will print out true and an error message. I don't understand it. Any suggestions? Thanks.
It is working after I installed the Python opengl package. Before that I installed it via pip, leading to the error above. I still don't know why, but it is working now.
I know it is a little late. I also encountered this problem with Python 2.7, 32 bits, in Windows. I solved this problem by copying glue32.dll to system32 and C drive and copy glue32.dll into my source file directory. It works well.
I had this issue in Ubuntu 20.04. I was about to try installing the package Python 3 opengl when I saw the dependency on freeglut3. So I tried installing just freeglut3 with. Some Python packages required libraries from the system, but it doesn't mean that you need to install the Python package in the whole system. Therefore, just installing the package within the virtual environment and the dependencies on the system should be enough.
Python 2.7 32-bit, Windows 7. This solution works. After looking around for a solution to a similar problem, I ran across this Google group that answers the question, this URL. There is a problem with opengl.glut when downloaded as pip from the official source. Uninstall opengl using pip, then download opengl from this URL. From PyOpenGL glutamate null function error.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.